Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air. Very cool car, guys. This car is done. It's a Resto Mod. Good looking 66. It's finished in silver metallic. It's got all NOS black cloth and vinyl interior in it. Car's out of Tennessee. Now the body and paint and interior stuff like that stuff was done about 7 or 8 years ago. The drivetrain and suspension was done about 3 years ago, guys. It's got a 350 GM Performance crate engine, 330 horse, B&M. It's got a B&M 350 turbohydramatic trans. It's got all ride tech, front and rear tubular suspension, Baer 13-inch 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got air. Very cool car, guys. It's got 70,000 original miles on it. There's some things you can nitpick at as we kind of go through. I'll kind of show you that. But very nice car. Car drives out good. You can kind of nitpick. Some of this chrome and stainless is actually original. It's got the halo lights, which are very bright and super cool. Again, you can see some marks in the bumpers. So there's some things you can nitpick on the car. A touch-up mark on the hood. Again, the body and paint about 7, 8 years old, he said, but the drivetrain and suspension all fresh within the last 3 years. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties. Those are 10-inch wide in the rear, 8-inch on the front. It's got all ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Again, you can kind of nitpick, you know, some of the chrome and stuff. Again, any car you can nitpick, guys. You know, we've been doing this for 41 years. I tell everybody, man, I've never seen a perfect one yet. But there is some stuff that you can nitpick in this car. The money that was spent on this car and the drivetrain and suspension, we got some good pictures underneath. Again, you can see it's got the Baer 4-wheel disc brakes, all slotted and drilled rotors. It's all ride tech tubular front and rear suspension. It's all adjustable, 4-corner adjustable, adjustable panhard bar in the rear, coil-over shocks all the way around it. There's a little spot that's been touched up on the bumper. Again, this is a 350 cubic inch GM Performance crate engine, 330 horse, Holley 4-barrel. It's got a bow tie aluminum intake. Does have ceramic headers. You can see it's got all the serpentine belt pulley system in it. Power steering, power front disc, or 4-wheel disc brakes or manual disc brakes with air. Air blows cold, and again, the suspension is tubular. It's all ride tech stuff. It's also got the big muscle car ride tech front sway bar on it. Aluminum radiator, electric fan, and again, it's got a 350 B&M transmission in it. Again, you can see it's got the big Baer disc brake, so a lot of money spent on this car, guys. Looks like it's got the original door handles. Again, these are NOS seat covers. It's got a tilt column with a Grant steering wheel. Factory dash. It's got some aftermarket tach and gauges. 73013 on the odometer. Aftermarket tach and gauges. It's a radio delete car. There's no radio in it. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a GM 10 bolt 336 gear, all Ride Tech adjustable rear suspension. It's all tubular. Jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Car's nice underneath. We got it up in the air, took some good pictures for you. Air does work. You can see the halo lights on it. Fuel gauge works. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges down there are functional. Lower motor works. Again, no radio. You can see your gauges are all working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355.